Hey folks, welcome back to the channel where coding meets chaos and HTML turns into the pure magic. Today we are talking about the legendary fixed sidebar. You know, the sidebar that stays by your side, more loyal than your best friend when you broke and angry. No matter how much you scroll, the sidebar is like I'm not moving pal. You will have to drag me out of here. Think of a fixed sidebar as that one overly dedicated gym buddy who never skips leg day, is always there, reliable, steady, and annoying persistent. And today I will show you how to make one in HTML and CSS. Trust me, it's easier than explaining to your mom what scrolling is. Okay, so whether you want your sidebar to hold your menu ads or playlist of your most embarrassing Spotify songs, this technique has you covered. So now let's dive into the code. So let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing it. So let's create our fixed sidebar and let me show you how to create it and all the things. Let me tell you. So first of all, you have already installed one text editor, and text editor like Sublime, Atom, Visual Studio Code of any text editor. If you do not have downloaded any text editor, let me tell you how to download the text editor. First of all, come on to your Google, and I hope you know how to open the Google. Search here your text editor. I prefer you to use the Visual Studio Code because it's the perfect text editor. And then first link has been came, download Visual Studio Code, and this editor is available in your all favorite 3 platforms: Mac, Linux or Windows. Okay, and let me open it. When I open it, it take a little bit loading, then it will be open it very easily. Yes, so if you are on Windows, download on Windows. If you are on Linux, download on Linux. If you are on Mac, download on Mac. I am on Windows, so I am downloading on Windows, and I have already downloaded, so that I do not download it one more time. So let me open my Visual Studio Code. I am opening my Visual Studio Code from here, and when I open my Visual Studio Code, I click onto the file, then I click onto the new file. The shortcut key of it is this Control Alt Windows N. Okay, but I am not a shortcut man, so I am not using the shortcut key. So I am making only one file by the name of index.html because I am making this project only in HTML. Okay, now when I created that file, first of all we start to writing our doc type declaration, the starting code of our HTML, and then HTML, then body. In the body element, we write our all the HTML elements like div, class, and I am defining div class. I am defining a class because when we start it in the CSS, so we would not face the trouble. Okay, then we enter press here, then we write a href hashtag in it. First of all, I write about on it. Then I write one more time href hashtag. Here I write services on it. Then I href, then I write clients on it, then href, then I write here contact on it. Now let me save it and let me come on it my documents, and when I open it my file by the name of index.html, so it is looking very pure without adding a CSS. So let's add a CSS, but first of all we add one more class by the name of main. Okay, now perfect. Now we do all the things, so it is looking like this. Okay, it is looking very pure without adding the CSS. So let's add the CSS and let's look his design now. And we define our CSS code in the head section because all people are saying the correct ways to write your CSS code in your head section. Okay, so we are defining dot side nav to write to style our all the href like about, services, clients, contact. So first of all, height should be 100%. Save it and then run it from here. So now when we give height 100%, so it is looking like this. Then width should be, I am giving 160 pixels. Save it and then run it. So here you can see it. Now our context is come in the down. Then what I can do, position should be fixed, means fixed sidebar we are making, so we obviously give the position fixed. Z index will be 1, top should be 0, left should be 0, background color I am giving the black. Okay, save it and then run it. So now it is looking like this. Okay, but let me remove the lines from the text. So let me remove it. Overflow X will be hidden. Padding top 20 pixels. Save, run. So now it is looking like this. Now what can I do? Now I give dot side nav A, padding 6 pixels, 8 pixels, then 6 pixels, then 16 pixels. So let me show you how it is had been built. So like that. Now let me remove the underline from it. To remove the underline from it, you will only write the text decoration should be none, then your underline should be removed. Here you can see it. Now let me give the font size to it, 25 pixels. Color I am giving to the white. Text color, here you can see it. Display should be block. Now like that it is looking. Now the gap has been came. Now I add a little bit hover. Side nav A hover, and the hover I am adding should be color should be red, and then transition should be 0.3 seconds. Save it and then run it. So it is hovering now. Here you can see it. Now I define dot main to give the margin left and padding all the thing. Margin left I am giving 160 pixels, padding 0 pixels, should be 10 pixels. Save and then run it. So now perfect. Now we define a media query to do it in the responsive media screen and max height 450 pixels. Dot side nav of it, padding top I am giving to it 15 pixels, and dot side nav A means font size means text size I am giving to the 18 pixels. Font size or text size means same. Okay, now save it and then run it. So it is looking like this. Now but my font is not looking very good, so let me add a font to it. To add a font to it, you only want to do it, define star, and then right here font family should be Poppins, comma sans serif. Save and then run it. So now it is looking like this. So here you can see it, our fixed sidebar had been built and it is hovering also very beautifully as. And if you want to add a background color on it, so you will be also add it like background color should be red, color should be white. Save and then run. So here you can see it. If you want to add a border radius to it, so you will be also be added like 20 pixels. So you can see it like that. It is hovering now. And let me show you in the responsive. In the responsive, it is also be looking very beautifully because we do it in the responsive also. So you can see it in the responsive. It is also be looking very beautifully as. So here you can see it like this. You can create a one responsive fixed sidebar using only HTML. So if you enjoyed this video, so please hit a like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to all the notification bell also. But anyways, see you in the next video. So now you know how to build a sidebar that's reliable as your favorite playlist, always there when you need it. If this video stuck with you, pun intended, hit the like button, like and subscribe. And hey, if you scroll away without subscribing, just know the sidebar will always remember you. So see you next time.